Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, maybe let's just give the investigator thumbs up. I'm shocked. The developments in the case Katije Haras, I'm like, what? Wow. And I'm busy saying on my other channel, Uguti DJ Haras. Even on this channel, I did mention a bit Uguti Victor Majola. The only person now who's actually in custody who was trying to get bail did not unalive. DJ Waras. Yebo, I was right in that Uguti is not necessarily the shooter, but he's actually one of the people who are behind his unaliving. Heybo, Victor guys now wanted a bail. And Victor at that time, we mastermind. I'm like, what? Uyana girlfriend yake Uhlengi. Uhlengi, he was sitting at the court because the investigator kept on saying, Ngambopha no magnini. Then I realized Uguti camera is going on the direction of one lady who was sitting there. I'm like, oh yeah, Uhlengiwe. How Uhlengiwe comes in the story is that Ujola no Victor, right? Ngiyathanda ukuthi girlfriend ne-boyfriend, girlfriend ne-boyfriend, right? And unama-girlfriend amaningi uVictor nengane eziwu-12. I'm like, hey, now Victor ngeke guys. The oldest being 21, the youngest is like 3. I'm like, wow, Victor is still gonna have children. Just manje angiboni because Victor now is in custody, He's never gonna have children again. Victor, what time? And Victor, flight risk. Because Victor, utaganayo passport, but Victor has so many addresses. So where are we gonna find him when he's supposed to go to report? Maybe they'll say like every Friday come and report. I think that's what they do after they give you bail. So Victor is never gonna get bail. Let's just get that one straight and right. It's never gonna happen. So I'm like, Victor guys, oh my gosh, ufago Uhlengiwe la. Because Victor, what happened was that he was seen before DJ Waras was unalive. Mase kubalwa, DJ Waras was inside Zambezi, that building. Trying to put the geometrics there at that building. Ganti bambonile, so they're waiting for him outside, including Victor Majola. The guy who's in custody, the guy who wants the bail. Ujola no Uhlengiwe. Uhlengiwe is involved in the people that hijacked the building. In a way, ugu community yalabantu lo who are getting imali, the money from people who are paying the rest of the people, because manje it turns out actually this building was owned by another guy who passed on about 2 years ago, from today. This guy was Shumtanaki. And then Tanake, at the time he was getting about 700,000, this guy. And then now it's 400,000 off rent. Who is the other 300,000? Iyagle community, where Uhlengiwe is also involved in that community, abantu abangekho right. And Uhlengiwe, DJ Waras got restraining order against her. Uguti, ngoba he was threatening him. Guys, I guess Uhlengiwe, maybe by now, she's actually arrested Uhlengiwe, right? The question now has been, where is the shooter? But the shooter was seen walking around with Victor while DJ Waras was inside the building. As he's coming out to DJ Waras, who is actually on the phone at the time he's coming out. As he's coming out, bam, papa, ungani abantu, bayidubula. But the shooter hasn't been found. I'm like, njani? And apparently now the The CCTV was at some butchery which is not far from Zambezi. That's where they got to see the shooter. But where is the shooter? And he must tell us. Mastermind, which is Victor and Hlengiwe. Because how it happened, how is Hlengiwe a mastermind? Hlengiwe is the one that actually told your boyfriend yakhe le. Engahlali nokuhlala eZambia ukuthi listen, uyangihlupha uDJ Warras. I don't think I can go on like this. Nangumuntu busy messing up with our livelihood, meaning the rent money. And mina community yami nabantu bami that you are busy with this rent money. Nanglo. So what do we do? Also, I know mina ngizokusiza. Manje we trying to get to where is the shooter from? Who is he? How does he come in? But he comes in, guys, because he's the one that shot DJ Warras. He's in, actually. Inside Pagat. Basically, we're not going to get that we are actually looking for. But at the same time, look at it and then be like, wait, I must know Victor. Victor will never come out. Because he is actually the mastermind. And the message in last week Nam games. It's I know, sorry to the family, my condolences. God, you are busy. Funukzwelo. And the Tabuki Salapana putting his head down. Oh, now it's in China, Ginama takes out 3. They bring in about 5,000 rands a week. And I've got 12 children that I need to take care of. Actually, one of the mothers of those 12 children is the only person that works. That's what Victor is telling us. Do you believe, Victor? I don't anymore. And then Atu Victor, and then he has 30 cows. Or over 30 cows. That's what the defense said when they were reading his stuff. Ekaya, AKZN. So Victor, guys, again, I'm repeating it. He is a flight risk. He is not going to get bail. Let's not try and get Victor a bail. A mastermind. No, actually, when I found about chances are this person pop out and shot him was found by Victor. There's that chance, pen, and you'll never know for sure. Or now he's just in it. Hlengiwe what? Was now I see in the meeting, don't Victor Ganjan. Ungakhohlwa ukuthi uDJ Warras had 5 restraining orders. Kodwa manje sekubike kuthiwe 6. Yabona ukuthi sometimes zibaningi izitori. I had said 5 about 2 weeks ago. 5 restraining orders. No Hlengiwe unayo. So yabona ukuthi Hlengiwe is in so much trouble. Oh my gosh, abakambophi. Hlengiwe, where is she? Plus the shooter. Bayafuneka phela those 2 people. Thank you guys, wasn't caught. I'm sure there's a supporter Victor umuntu wakhe ejela ukuthi they'll never find me out. Mina powerful guy. Ngiyuzungenza next mina I'm those papa. And yakhumbula when it started in December kwathiwa when it started kwathiwa there's a queen pin sisters. I was like queen pin from where? Now it makes sense. So it's actually very clear ukuthi the Nkabilizer was actually found by Victor Majola. Because Hlengiwe uthe, you are my boyfriend. You need to take care of this. I can't have a person. It's from my mouth. Ushu DJ Warras at that time. Imagine, guys, like, wow. So, guys, thank you so much for always supporting this channel. Over.